What's going on, everyone? It's Mr. Blue Ocean FX himself, back with another breakdown. We're going to circle back on gold. As you know, I'm not sure if that video got taken down for something I wrote in the description. However, we did catch longs on gold, and then I did say eventually we would get a reversal, which is happening now. We were able to capitalize that within our group. So let me break that down for you here. On the weekly, we can see an obvious push here. Nice strong push again from June 10th, 2024, all the way up until the 28th of October. Nice blow off top, hitting 2790 area. Then we got a nice pullback, okay, and then we got a break of structure at the 2646 area. Nice strong weekly candle closure below that level, and then scaling down to our daily time frame. Okay, we were playing a consolidation area here, as I explained in the video. However, for the buy, we saw this this lower high point get broken at the 2658, and then I also had a trend line going from the blow off top at 2790 and connected it to our other double top here, which is within the consolidation at the 2725 area from December 12th. Okay, and then we came, and you can see I had an alert here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the an alert here. Didn't quite reach it. I was expecting NFP to push it a bit higher, possibly looking to sweep the liquidity at the 2700 area, but we didn't get up that high. And then I saw the potential for a short, which we're in now in our group. But let's go ahead and break that down, and I'll tell you guys what I saw. So obviously H4, we saw that blow off top, nice higher high. Okay, H4 is still bullish, keeping that in mind. H1, we saw a nice higher high, a higher low, and then failed to give us a new higher high at that point. So I scaled down to the M30. Okay, and if you look up closely, let's get rid of this line here. Okay, you can see at this new higher high, this high, okay, they made a strong resistance area. Then we got a nice impulse move down. Okay, and I was paying attention to it. This was Friday. We got to close below this. Now, if it's hard for you to see breaker structures, you can always switch to the line chart and you can see it a little clearer here. You can see that higher high got broken here. This lower low, this lower low broke this higher low point. Okay, go back to the candles. I did not take the trade. I don't trade on Fridays, or I try not to trade on Fridays. Okay, we got to push back up, a lower high point. I did not take anything. I left it alone. Another double top. If I scale down, obviously, to lower time frames on M15, you can see a double top at the 26 or 2700. Excuse me, not 27, 2692 area. We had a nice double top. I didn't do anything. We got this nice big push here, impulse move. Candle going from the 2689 all the way down to 2681 area. I paid attention to that. I wanted to see if they would come back up on M30 to sweep any liquidity at the 2691. They did not, but I saw a nice resistance area being held again within this somewhat of a consolidation area. And then I looked for my entry right here on the 13th at midnight on Monday, and I saw a big push here. Again, paying attention to volume. If you look down at my cursor, you can see it's above the average, okay, which is our blue line. I entered here, placed my stops right above that lower high point, and we're now currently holding our trade for a nice 1.288 RR. I've already broken even, took out some profits, and I will show you profits another day. The point is not to flex profits, it's to show you guys what I see, and hopefully you can gain the insight and learn to do this on your own. Okay, but this is what I have for gold, and I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an update on USD Swiss franc, the ETH trade that I updated, and also GBP JAPY, and possibly AUD NZD. We'll see. But we'll catch you in the next video.